Well, good morning. 6 a.m. We're in Redlands, California at Primeline's new headquarters. Really big day today. They're hanging our sign.
This is our new office, still in Redlands. We've stayed in Redlands. We moved only a few blocks away from our old facility. We wanted something that was more modern, bright, and collaborative, and I think we accomplished that. Our display room was built so that when people walked in, they would see what Primeline is all about and what we have to offer. We also use that as a nice meeting room and a greeting room so that people can see what our products are and anything that we want to promote. Redlands has a rich history of being the largest orange producer in the United States. And although today that has changed, we decided to take that history and name our rooms after that. We're on Orange Tree Lane, so we've named our rooms after varieties of oranges like Cara Cara, Valencia, and Tangerine. Primeline's new headquarters is a fresh start for Primeline, for our products, for how we brand ourselves, for how we present ourselves out in the world. Primeline's been around for about 50 years, and most of that time in beautiful Redlands. This is our home. This is our new beginning in our new facility with our wonderful team, and we look forward to what we can bring you in the next 50 years. All I can say is stay tuned. We can't wait to show you what's next.